Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper trim strip in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper trim strip. The upper trim strip covers the gap between the dishwasher and the countertop. The main reason for the upper trim strip to be replaced is if it starts deteriorating or simply missing. We're going to open the dishwasher door. So we're going to take out the two screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. So close the door partially and slide the dishwasher going side to side from under the counter, and then we're going to pull it out, grabbing it by the cabinet. And that would be far enough, about 3 inches. To remove the old upper trim strip, we just grab it and pull it up. This is an old upper trim strip next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, so this is the new strip, and this is the front side, and that would be the back side, and this groove fits over this edge. So this, like I call it a flag, goes right in that cutout. And I place it, and this goes into this cutout. And push it down. You will feel when it goes over the edge and locks in. Right, now we can close the door and push the dishwasher back. And you're gonna close the door and push the dishwasher back under the counter. Slowly. All right, and now we're gonna attach that dishwasher to the counter. Put the screws back in. I'm gonna secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.